How to sell on Amazon FBA in 5 minutes. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can sell products in Amazon FBA. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over and search for sell.amazon.com, or you can simply head over, click on the link given in the description below, and you'll be redirected to the seller version of Amazon. So you're going to simply head over and create an account on Amazon Seller. And first, let's go over the pricing plan. So let's head over and see the pricing plan. So over here, you can see that the individual one is for 0.99 per item sold. So you wouldn't be charged annually or monthly. In fact, you'll be charged per every item that you sell. And then we have the professional one that is for $39.99 per month. You will be charged only the first month this, and then you'll have all of the rest months completely free, and you'll be charged for every month that you sell items after that. So for example, if you buy this month, and you'll be charged $39.99, but if next month you stop using it, you wouldn't be charged, and when you sell items, you will be charged again. So you're going to simply head over and sign up for individual or sign up for professional, and simply create your account, give your correct information, and you're good to go. So next thing that I really recommend using in order to get products is Helium 10. It's a very good platform where you can search for different products and how they are performing in the market right now. So you're going to simply click on the link given in the description below and get an access to Helium 10. And you're going to head over and create an account using few simple steps. So this is the platform of, Helium 10. So you're going to head over to tools over here, and then you're going to click on this magnet. And once you do so, you're going to search for the specific product that you are willing to sell. For example, let us search for something like, let's say, pencil. Okay, so here you're going to scroll down, and you can also add various filters if you want. And here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see color stuff, art pencils for adults, color stylus, coloring, and other stuff. And over here, you'll be able to see the keyword sales, that how many sales these products have. So you need to make sure that the greater the number of sales, the very good the product will reach the customers. Now let's say we're going to choose this one over here, and then you're going to select the magnet IQ score as well, that is adult coloring. So over here you can simply click on this over here, and you will be redirected to Amazon. And here you can see there are different coloring pencils. So we have chosen the category that is adult coloring. Next thing that you're going to do is head over to any platform like Alibaba or any alternative that you do use. And here you're going to search for that specific item. Let's say we're going to search for adult coloring and press search. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So here we have adult coloring book, but let's make it more specific. So we're going to search for adult coloring pencils. So I'm going to type it down, press enter. And then here we have the adult coloring pencils. Here you can see that the specific pricings of them. And alternatively, I suggest you to use this one, that is Thomas for Industry, thomasnet.com, and you're going to search for the category over here, such as let's search for adult coloring pencils, and press enter. And over here you'll be able to see a couple of options about the adult coloring pencils. And here we have different results, filtered by suppliers by the category. For, let's say we're going to choose this one over here, that is simple pencils. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to this page, and then you can select a supplier that you want. And once you do have product, you can simply head over to your Amazon seller page, and then you're going to simply add that product. So the key feature is that you're going to choose the products that there are not much on Amazon, that you're not able to find much on Amazon. Like I searched for adult coloring, and we're going to search for adult coloring pencils, that whenever someone searches for them, your product will be ranked at top. Now here you can see there are various adult coloring pencils. So there is, like, you can see that there are many people who have sold this. There are 300 plus bought in past month. So choose a category that the other people have not targeted or sold. So in that way, you will rank at the top on Amazon, and your sales would be higher. So the key to reach at the top or rank is by choosing the categories that the other people have not targeted yet. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.